Mer Malakenyam. Take a report, maybe calling was a make a quick kuma SPLIO. Kuma SPLIO, she can kuma the United Nations. She can go. SPLIO, she can you and she can accuse and Jagana, yes, SPLIO, Jagako, Yankake, Kanaka, native motel match. No ka Bentiu IDP camp jan bana kwen ka jan lera me ki report many de konti ka ngech ki ngum lera de where exactly take place and when me ban madana chi to bukona ngach and kore dan sure lare which we me gwade chi kore to okten ka tiang ki ka war ka Sunday night ka IDP camp bukon madana to bana Jillington. Kon di alte kon ka ngech kamera na shoda lat ban ya kullin kela gwano ngumi chitu exactly report cha no ngwas me bokul nyaka ye kele ano report mitedi ki ngumi chora lat dai wuchi wini mi ban je nywa kel ke report cha no ngwad jamene South Sudan main army opposition la Dana SPLIO chicken United Nation mission chicken ka gwanyen o chicken na chicken ga jako ba kanak and they failed to protect native content take IDP camp. Ko ken charami mamala personnel kene kon la ganke and chaka pelro chaka gang shinawuna ko ba ne ti deni buka we gwada dan te simply antikete bana ba ko nak native mo telaran match ke bana ba ka yan within IDP camp dan te ka Bentiu ka jodan ci kanalat ka kore chulia chu to kon gwasmo inside displaced ke IDP camp point lia che to ngere ide so mi na me de kon diaro dan tijen go why to gedi en kume United Nation tadare which ka South Sudan ojen bana beka gang Sudan People Liberation Army in a position as SPLIO you can ladder one ene kore tuɔɔk ka IDP camp ala Bentiu IDP ko kor tuɔɔk ka wer ke Sunday night wan mi moti civilian eten kakti panganji wan batiketin mi mo kume SPLIO kene dini kin mi yadi chika clash and when mo lo jan gwadan to korten Canadian kontin tere kema ngwan civilian wadene ngwan mate when mo charge no ken Canadian kontila ngani ke ji SPLIO lo ko to on within Bentiu camp ngwadan to korten chinere kon la dini SSPDF chik wenere kem ka waji SPLIO wa ko gorten wukan kaneng na rejimi chuko ko dwel gor kan ji SPLIO ke na ram mo me charge kan lo ram dit ba gor ke ba yen ke ba nak so kaka gwade dan laji me kurme to watana tin ko laji SPLIO tan ci we kem kambo ngai kon di ala no gwam mi mo dong de na gang ro den tin ci man ngai kone no ni chiang malalat ke long dong ci kore to den dong go protection be ngai ka gwade dan dong de ro dokten ka jaw chalat gwasame ke Tuesday ka changdar SPLIO officer Michale Mangar Shap kan ne dangro titel match anamit personal chwaka yen tit inside camp chwaka yen kan ka chwaka nang kerup konaton chaka nang ni ka nyang ni ka Michale nyang wa mi chigi chubun wen mi chama ngar shap chaje nek within chajo na kan wini mi chaga kep care of ka IDP camp chaga nang rara dini SSPDF ka shwako nek so right now mi kone mo ba now kamrar nere kema bana ba kanak ba ka kef ka ba ka allow aji United Nations ano bigana bikan ka onak teneri kan ka kef wouldn't economy as well ayo Sector 2 Commander General Peter Rothschild kuma as well ayo let's contour the guasame katin corner lat Gordian ngai dan katin corner tuɔɔk chana manan tuɔɔk gene chana ko ngaje gwa me chana ti chaga kef the point the and commander rana SPLIO sector 2 na me minen kono me Commander Peter Rothschild Chorach ke Sudan Post je confirm no chiri ko mojo tuɔɔk ano chane dangro chako kep nika Bentiu IDP camp yaga nang de ne SSPDF cha kamrar nika UNMISS la United Nations Mission rai wika South Sudan yaga kep ko yaga yen ka yaga nak wal UNMISS agwa protection site mi gang natin kane te kone wa kebre kem ka wa kan tele kamach ajene gwaze dan meje kor meje to ko ja na yo ren bar na jen yes pila yo chikoren watch and rami mo michi dot ya do la civilian re kem ka chela do nene an kwar going can United Nations Mission mentre wika South Sudan and she failed to protect the civilian or amimo anami civilian ki anamit soldier middle match kabajo kanaka UN protection site yo jeno chikume na mo che boy kamana under lat ki protection dana der lat kenete to so chol che UN mission che ka accuse and chike fail ko big na bikin ka gang na me jena dana chi tuɔɔk so mnyo dodi e changle ta ka UNMISS ba jo captain ba jin nak chire machane ti cha na ka je so gwada mani shalke netin kontin la United Nations no SSPD abantere kema ko woy ka Rodian aka woy Rodian rekema aka kam ka UN peacekeeper security ke liu awuted UN SSPD of more manang na rekema aka jen aka jiten wanamo ajene gone no IDP camp bala tet ka UN peacekeeper ko tama anwo ba netmo te dong charen lok gwad mu de lok ten ba ka lo nekten ke ba ko ke ba ka yen ano chala de jen kwermeno chi chuong jega chi mulorode ko de lat ko jena dana chala de meni jen UN ke UNMISS agwan mo de gang tekten chi gwan me de na nekten chi de mi shore la ratema so baja kwen ya gwada me ka jo dana cha kwen ka je ko biya kula te ngai ka je ba kwen ka tok English ta dana dong sia ngach ke sia linga gwasme ya kula te ngai kama na le rode no ngum tuɔɔk South Sudan main army opposition has accused the United Nations mission of negligence and failing to protect its personnel after an army officer was arrested and killed following clash at a displaced person camp in Unity State when SPLIO and SSPDF clashed. According to the SPLIO, the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, they allege that the fatal incident occurred after fighting erupted on Sunday night inside the Bentiu IDP camp, a former UN protection of civilian site between government forces and opposition element of a joint police force. SPLA-IO fighters were subsequently dislodged from the camp, with some members seeking cover among civilians. On Tuesday afternoon, an SPLA-IO officer identified as Manger Shap and 2 others, and army personnel, were arrested inside the camp while being transported on foot toward Roop Corner town. Nyang was shot and killed by a government soldier, according to security sources. Speaking to Sudan Post this evening, SPLA-IO Sector 2 Commander Peter Rothschild confirmed the incident but blamed the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, for permitting the arrest and killing within a protected area. These officers were unarmed and hiding inside the camp after the fighting, and even a day after our unit had left the camp. UNMISS was fully aware of their presence and allowed SSPDF forces to arrest them in full view of the mission. This is a serious failure to protect civilian and non-combatant, he said. Scholl accused the UN mission of permitting government forces to detain individuals suspected of link to the SPLA-IO inside the camp perimeter, warning that such action risks further escalation and undermine civilian safety. He called for the immediate withdrawal of the South Sudan People Defense Forces. According to this information, he said SSPDF should be removed. The president of government force within what should be a protected space has fundamentally compromised the safety of the thousands of displaced people living here. We are calling for the total withdrawal of the SSPDF from the camp and for UNMISS to take back full control of security, he said. The current practice of allowing the military to enter the perimeter and detain individuals based on suspected political affiliation is a violation of international standard that will only lead to further bloodshed if the UN does not step in to restore its previous protection mandate, he added. The violence in the camp followed a broader military escalation. SPLA-IO Sector 2 spokesman Colonel Carbino Yaipazal confirmed that fresh fighting broke out on Tuesday in Kaljak, west of Rukana, though he declined to provide a casualty count within that attack. Unity State has become a primary flashpoint following the collapse of the 2018 peace agreement and the detention of opposition leader Dr. Riek Machar Durgon. In recent week, the SSPDF, Force Infantry Division, and SPLA-IO unit have clashed near the Sudanese border and in neighboring Jonglei State, where strategic towns such as Wat, Ui have recently fallen to government forces. And SPLA-IO has taken over after that. The Unity State Government and the SSPDF Force Infantry Division did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Jolin konome kwen konome danan cha kwen kan kemen cha gore kan ta danan cha ne ti cha na kaje atilaji SPLA-IO te cha station ke cha lat ka tie ka IDP camp gwada dan te SPLA-IO te gaten ka te SSPDF te gaten take a joint police force mi chalat ka gwase dan ban meji kor meji to ka Sunday ka war yo jojo gwano shukor mo yo to chu yo tene theorian bar ka IDP camp ne de content la SPLA-IO officer telmet angai ka ji camp ka ke ji UNMISS and when mo chare no to ko dong chicken ko ngai kono kormi belanare ne lu ya to bro lo gwadan lo gro tin in a state watch SSPDF chigu re camp ka agui ka ji UNMISS chu Canadian content when mo chu kan ko okay to chi mi chalinga cha wudo mo cha ja kaf kana ji kwara chu ga nan ka rup kona and then UNMISS chu connected so jo mi chala na meni kwa kale jogo no yen there gwano en control de la tetka UN peacekeeper the UN peacekeeper they can control jen jo dan chala de commander Peter Rothchol chira mi kon lingwas meni katiba baje longten kon lat ko re duaran so ne me de la jen adana gorno di yeneling SPLM mayu sector 2 commander General Peter Rothchol jaram dan chirwach ka che condemn mishit kan men go chana do pick from the IDP camp gwad mi mo kwa te kwa ile gangten ka bana ba ko nang ba kanak so na me mi chode lat ke mi just lo a chirmen dan ngai kona banya ngaje gwanu right now kurika tin chirmen chana ngach re which ka South Sudan especially Bentiu right now ngai kon di altirin latpan mal telejetin long chim right kona ni ko temete Nuer ala no sha ka mu ka ngwane ki ka kwak ko bi Nuer ke na kokien ara mala no rana spela yo baje dil ka especially ka kem IDP kem mo man kap ka na tin ko gor ka kem ka ne de ti la SSPDF tini ka ci spela yo ci guren bare kem ko bane anai te kon ko kana ci ka de ni ti ngwana long kana police force ni jen te spela yo te tin te SSPDF te tin e join force mi chama ne ke ko bu na kula gang ano men me dan me ko na ngaje ne me dan e cha da rum char me cha je yen me na ngaje gwa lok ti kon tun wan chana kanen gwa se dan ka jen Bentiu IDP camp mo chuna barar chu teacher chu ko bara la ngiech raiken ko men cha la te ba first vice president ba je yen no ke ba je na gwa lok chu kana reject ke chu kana condemn and then ka ko re chi SSPDF chi kana action kana kan against the SPLIO ne kiene enra me ko da rum char ko support chu kan teacher ya le kon te la kwar ki ne nge kana chu kan ka suspend kan ya you kan ka wot no chabu condemn ene ka kore ka gwasi dan chu ajugo no nguku yen interfere ka DP cam ke dul gor kon ante ka DP cam la dul gor kon nge kenaten ko chare no latin lel kana lel kan lo which a consequence ko yen you guys are supporting Dr. Machar so na me jere ga dan chi to and then akor chu agugo no tele manankaten chu agare chu nyom loy ka lat ka tay dan chalat ke but right now the same things the same is narrow chu nyogo to so mite wala to ke de kan ka kan jik rof I mean kan ne content kel ga kirno ke de kan chicken yes pela yo chicken de kan chicken target ara me mo lo agenda di en ma so de target especially me ka bide de kan dil nak so a store mi chore lot right now na me le ro da wishing we me and wotna re rika kor jaten man kulla jiya ga long kamela lo dan je kon wore e di alati telin kon te nyen na karo den kan wore kan dia kan wore kan dia SPLIO mena SSPDF tintere wike Bentiu kan wore tel jormo tan kan wore wang den karo den wan wore ko al use kir ano na kan wore kuni kokien so bejelong la ti ko ran non wore ene bunar jejo ene buna roden guje no kana na about mugwa de je lalet you know de no bunar enak so ne shana pal ke kwi weji chala Bentiu ko betega mal kano bi natin content nyon ko kon ke na ko kon ba ka dil wochre doaran bana.com e kon shalen ware ko doran so doran charge de yarane konte cha jur ke cha mu ka kwa so na me shime gwa me jiak me choro lot so agenda na gora don de nywa ko kon kel mi jiram jidit gwa seme no ka Nuer online TV channel gor jeno jin dere channel dere je support ko mi jate mi ci break gwa me de chwa mala shube keji bana ngaje gwan woni ne kondi al gor korodan mite mi je mu jito gor jeno de kondi atika ngitin ko de alatini kwa fek ne doran no mi jiram te kwikir me yadi ka jin Nuer chere nyok you think ano de ki de chonje kel kon gwinje no kangunu chel ka kono kon wore anyok ngum moji ka yo gan mor ke chi mor bu kala wa taki bu kama kala ran la chere lonko droba dien madong de ne ka de kala de ka geja so ala future la lat ke tet run gwasan be ano ngum bu to ke ngum balat ke bu tek ba wede la chere ka kwi chi chwa jel chere lo chi tigye to kon wala la chere run ngwan run bo re lo palpin kam charo da kaneten kon dong la dora ano bo to kwi dien okay ke nyok ban mi chi Nuer chi ko ka run kan Nuer content bi den tama ano chi o ka bo kwi dien run what will happen to you gor jeno de jal kel kanere ko lan Nuer ko jen doru ka jen gwada dan dab jutin ci ko ne no na ko dan ka rodan ne itin ko ne chunkel ga kirmi yadit and we condemn you along ko tin la dien ga ci ka to go da gwa ne yen char ka dob dan yen yam ga je ko den wa de ga jal kel den o bin war den bi go je trade ka ji ke ku kwer ka ko gori kwer beje just watch as long as ngot kon nin kon na tel to go to bro din la re dwaran but mo wanna wake up because care in reality then bana dia go at bana kalat kel but mo na ngun nin cheta de na rin ge jemen tamen wer ko dien nyenya ka jongle nyenya ka apnal nyenya ka unit state the reality buga yar kon wer chikan jang kan bi yar ko jang tel kariek nyi ga dien kam bi like ten tere nyang but right now here wer gwa ba mo ke yo bidam mor bi na ko ba kula bit so be jamat ben bi atamal ban je ka reporting bi bye bye